All right, we're just making Matic movements right now, but it doesn't seem that it wants to correct to the downside, man. This is so super weird at the moment, and you're making some few dojis at the moment, and this is gonna be here. So let's actually zoom in into the daily number one, and let's remove some of the drawings. Let me remove actually every single drawing right now. And let's dive in into the 4 hour time frame. I'm just wondering what the hell are we trying to do at this point of time for Matic? So here we are, and it seems like inverse and shoulders are probably being made on so many different levels. But what I'm going to do is bring this particular support that Matic is actually holding right now, and we might be looking for Matic to actually come up to this level. It's going to be from there to there. You're breaking out of this level, and you perhaps are looking for 1.1856 and continue up here. So that's going to be like a move from there to there, up here to 27% move to the upside. But you actually want to put a stop loss at zero point 0.9, because if you do come down and take zero point 0.9, because if you zoom in here, you're really not losing this level in quite a long time. You ended up with the wicks multiple times to the downside. Now I do expect if you do come to take this level, you might actually come down and make that deeper retracement to the downside. It's really overextended, and I still have hopes for the retest of the trend line. You can even make another resistance that is actually being met. They always give you some key levels to look forward to. So there are two key levels right now at the moment, and that's going to be number one, this one down here, the influence down here, and then you have the influence up here. This is the second key level that you really have to break to continue. So safe zone is actually to break the second key level, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much coming up to the $1.18. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be SOP. So SOP